Hello and welcome here on my channel. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing video. I got some brand new mystery models from Hot Wheels. This is set 3 from 2023. This is obviously not the whole set. The whole set consists of 10 cars and I always buy the first 3 cars because these are the licensed ones. And when I'm right, then we take a look at the packaging. We got the Datsun 510, the Subaru Impreza and this Porsche 356. So if you are not familiar with these mystery models, it's very easy. You can always look right here. I hope you can see it. The number here behind the backslash is normally the number of the car in the set, and this one is saying number 1. So I guess this is the Datsun 510. But we will see. So we cut this thing open and yeah, very cool. There we go. Pretty nice. They always do come with such a sticker and this little poster here. Take a quick look at the poster first. So here we go. You can see number 1 is the Datsun 510. Then number 2 is the 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. And number 3 is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. And yeah, the rest are fantasy models. But yeah. So let's take a look at our Datsun 510, and this one does look really good. Pretty nice color, like yeah, like a burnt orange, metallic orange, looking very good. Kind of a rally deco, and we also, as you can see here on the side, see some mud splashes. So this is a weathered version. Yeah, looking really good. Unfortunately, no details on the back and nothing on the front. That would be very cool, but we get a white roof and also some deco on the hood. That is looking quite good. Chrome base, so we get a chrome bumper and an exhaust. Yeah, really nice, pretty model. So let's put this one to the side and we get to the second one. And yes, it is the Subaru. Whoa, there's a lot going on this car. Oh, this one's pretty nice because, as you can see, we get details on the front, we get headlights and the Subaru logo. We get deco on the roof, on the hood and on the side. Only on the back there is nothing. Like the rims, this one's a right-hand drive. Yeah, this one's also a very cool, pretty nice mystery model. So let's put this one also to the side and we got one model left. Yes, it is the Porsche. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm not so sure about this one. Not too long ago we have seen this casting in a Gulf deco in the main lines, and this one was looking pretty good. This deco, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this turquoise color, and yeah, we don't get any deco on the back, we don't get any headlight details, unfortunately. Yeah. But we get a red interior and a black or gray, dark gray base. Yeah, so I'm glad that I did find all of these three models, and I would say let's put all of them together right here on the rotator. Let's bring the camera back a little. Yeah. As always, I'm trying to pick a favorite, and well, I think I have to say for me it's the Datsun. Really love the color, love the deco on it, and this, yeah, that it's a weathered version, although it has no details on the front and on the back, but yeah, pretty nice mystery model. So yeah, these are the first three from set 3 of 2023. And yeah, if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.